Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to import a 3D DXF model into Archicad. If you don't know where to download the 3D city model I use in this video, head over to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. Let's get started. First open Archicad and click on New. Then go to File, Open. Now I will locate my file. It's called TopoExport Modeling. Next, click on Settings. Under Drawing Unit, make sure to set up the reference unit to meter. Then go to Open Options. Here, make sure the following options are selected: Library Parts, GDL Script, Dimension Chains. Also make sure to enable Convert 3D Solids regions into GDL Objects. Once everything is set, click Save. Open. Then OK. Skip all. Now let's switch to the 3D view. And there it is, your 3D model is fully imported and editable. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.